Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to close all open apps on iOS. In order to do so, first off, if you are on the home screen here, then what you want to do is you want to double click the home button, and when you do, it should show up with this screen. Now, there is in fact no way to close all open apps on the iPhone. You can individually close them by swiping up on each of the apps that you want to close. And then another thing you can do is you can use 3 fingers to close multiple apps at the same time. But that's pretty much all you can do. You can't close all of them at the same time. You have to do it one at a time and just go through, and you can delete them or close them all that way. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.